Thick-skinned, horned, and built like tanks, meet the rhinoceros, one of Earth's oldest and toughest land animals. Found mostly in Africa and South Asia, there are 5 species, including the white, black, Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos. Despite their size, rhinos are surprisingly fast, charging up to 30 miles per hour when threatened. Their horns, made of keratin, like your nails, are sadly the reason they're endangered. Poaching and habitat loss have pushed some species to the brink. These gentle grazers play a huge role in shaping grasslands. Saving the rhino means saving ancient strength in modern times.